our high school band boosters is a group of volunteer parents that spend their time and money and energy basically helping anything that the band program needs. They help do a lot of student meals. They've helped us a ton with stuff like prop construction for our competitive shows, helping with our gear loading and unloading at every event. Basically all the extra little things that we need to make the program run the way it does.
I'm proud to say that I think we have a great group of volunteers who are selfless. At one point or another in everybody's lifetime, in some small form or fashion, we've been impacted by the act of volunteering, and I think that it's important to get involved, whether it's props that we're building or it's feeding them, making sure they're fed, and that they're putting in 100%, not having to worry about all the other stuff, and we're taking care of that.
I really appreciate how much the band boosters do for us. They're like our second parents, making sure they take care of us. I feel really like seen, acknowledged, and loved because of all the stuff they do for us, especially Miss Reyes. Every time we perform, she has this special little tradition where after they announce drum majors, she yells, "Go band! Way to go band!" And it just warms my heart how much she and all the other band parents look out for us.
We're just there for each other as a family, and family is what it's about. It really takes a village to come together to help each other out, to be there for these students. We do it because we love our band students. We love our directors. We love giving them that time. It just comes from the love of the band students, of the band program itself. Just giving them that support is what drives me. Thank you so much to Southside ISD administration and the community, the parents. Thank you so much for the donations. It gives back to the students, and everything we do is for the students. And so thank you.